Have you ever been driving past the seemingly endless fields of crops in Washington and thought, where do all of these crops come from? I know I have. Today, I'm in Whatcom County visiting Ebe Farms to try and find the answer to that question. We are not in a potato field right now.
No, this is kind of where things begin in our lab and greenhouse facility.
All right. Well, I'm excited to see what you got going on in there. Greg Ebe is giving us a tour of his seed potato farm where they turn a small number of plants into thousands of seeds to be used across the West Coast. The process can be incredibly delicate. Before we begin, we must sterilize our shoes and don protective lab coats to protect the plants from potential disease and bacteria.
Seed potatoes need to be disease-free, virus-free. So we've sourced material in tissue culture, just in test tubes, and we're going to multiply that up into a crop that we can sell to commercial growers. So in the lab, they're micropropagating. They're taking these micro cuttings and spreading them to more of these jars. They're grown in a media where different nutrients are available. It's a really rapid way to multiply, but it's also a very clean way, which is really important when you're multiplying from just a few plants up to tens of thousands.
Once Greg's team has multiplied the cuttings to the needed number, they move into the lab's greenhouse. Here, the cuttings are planted in trays while being given a sterilized water and nutrient mixture. This allows the plants to take root and begin producing mini tuber potatoes.
Once those get to about quarter size, they'll harvest them. Normally, the plant will produce about 20 to 30 of these. The mini tuber will be the first field generation. We'll plant that on the field next year.
Okay.
And we'll actually multiply to 3 generations before we send those to the commercial growers.
And why is that?
With each step out in the field, we get a multiplication of about 10-fold. Starting in with just a few vials in the lab, we get to the point that commercial growers planting several hundred acres.
That's pretty amazing.
It's pretty wild to think about.
Once harvested, mini tubers are rather tender and fragile. They must undergo a drying process that helps thicken the skin, making them more durable for handling and planting. Then, these mini tubers are chilled and placed in storage until the following spring, when they finally are planted in Washington soil.
This is the 3rd field generation. These will be harvested and then shipped to the commercial growers.
So this is the final step in your process.
Exactly.
And these are what variety?
It's called cyclamen, originated in Europe and Hungary.
Well, thank you so much. It's been really fascinating. Thank you.
Well, thank you for coming. It's one of my favorite things to talk about.
Yes, well, I appreciate it.